Hey friends, hope you're well and welcome to the new update on DigiByte coin. As in my previous video, I told you that the price action of DigiByte is at the support of an up channel, and soon it will make an attempt to break out that channel. And let me just show you the analysis that I shared with you in my previous video. This is the analysis that I have shared also on the Tradingview as well. At that time, the price action of DigiByte was at this support, and I've shared the complete analysis in my previous video and told you all the reasons why the price action will be moved up from here and try to make an attempt to break out this channel. Now I'm just playing this chart. I shared this analysis with you guys on 1st of August, and now you can see that the price action moved up by 50%, and it is again rejected by the resistance of this up channel, and it is moving down up to this support. At this time on the live chart, this is a live daily chart, we can see that the price action is moving towards this support of the channel again, and I'm expecting that it will be moved a little bit more down, and from this point it will be moved up. There are two strong reasons why the price action will be moved up from this support of the channel again, at least up to this resistance. One is that we have the 100 simple moving average strong support on the daily chart at this support of up channel. Therefore we can expect that the price action will be bounced from here, like the price action was bounced here using the support of 100 simple moving average, and we have already seen another bounce from this 100 simple moving average here back in April 2020. At that time we have seen a very powerful bullish bounce or bullish rally after getting bounced from this moving average. So we can expect that after getting bounced from this moving average again, the price action will again make another attempt to break out this resistance of the channel. The more strong reason in my point of view is this harmonic move on the small time period 6-hour chart. This is the initial leg of the bullish butterfly pattern, and after that it is retraced between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. So this is the first confirmation for the bullish butterfly pattern, and now after that it is projected between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection, and this is the projection of A to B leg. And now for a perfect bullish butterfly pattern, it should be moved up to this level, that is 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level. When the price action will be entered in this level, that is the potential reversal zone that starts from 234 satoshis and ends up to 224 satoshis. So here from this level we can expect that the price action will be moved up, and it can again make another attempt to break out the resistance of this up channel. So there are two strong reasons. One is this 100 simple moving average and the support of this channel. Another one, that is the potential reversal zone of this bullish butterfly pattern. And at the end of this video, I would like to recall this bearish shark pattern that I just published last year, over a year ago, on June 2019. You can see here, this is the date that when I published this chart on the Tradingview, and I predicted that the price action is forming a bearish butterfly pattern. This was the initial X to A leg, then it was retraced between 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. This was the first confirmation for the bearish shark, and after that it was retraced between 1.13 up to 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level. Here we had on the weekly chart, on the monthly chart, we had this pivot support, and I was expecting that it will be bounced from this pivot support, and after that it will start the formation of the final leg, that is C to D leg. And here I have also placed this volume profile on the complete price action moving within this pattern. For the people who don't know about the volume profile, you can see that this is the area where it is showing that traders' interest is very strong. So in this area the traders can trade this coin, but whenever it will be moved in this area, or in this area, then we can expect that it will be moved down or move up. At this level, below this level, in this potential reversal zone, you can see that the trader's interest is really very weak. Therefore, we can expect that we have also this pivot support here, and the price action can move or bounce from here and move up from here, and it can start the final leg of this bearish shark very soon. So I have defined two kinds of targets. One was the secure sell target zone, another was the aggressive target sell zone up to the completion of this bearish shark. So this move was up to almost 1400%. And now I'm just playing this chart. I just posted this chart. You can see this is the date, the 25th of June 2019. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price action moved more down, a little bit more down from this pivot support, but from within this potential reversal zone, it is geared up, and it is really very close to this secure sell target zone that I have defined, and soon it will be entered here, and I'm expecting that soon it will also complete this C to D leg. That will be more than 1400% move. If you're not following my analysis and my videos on the DigiByte that I am sharing since last year in this chart, then I am again sharing the targets, the sell targets in the video's description. You can find there. So this was the update so far. I'm expecting another upward move, a wave up to this resistance of the channel once it will be reached at this support level, and after that we can also expect that maybe it will break out from this channel. Once this channel will be broken out, then definitely it will be soon entered in this secure sell target zone as well. So this was the update so far on the DigiByte. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like, do subscribe to my channel as well. Take care. Goodbye.